In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to place trades on TradingView using your NinjaTrader brokerage connection with confidence and clarity. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to a TradingView account and that you have valid NinjaTrader login details for either a live or a demo account. If your broker requires specific market data or permissions, ensure those are active so your connection works as expected. Start by opening a chart inside your TradingView account. Head to the chart you plan to trade from. Any symbol will do. This connection works across charts, so pick the instrument you want to monitor. Your layout, indicators, and drawings won't be affected by connecting a broker, so there's no need to change your setup. Now look to the bottom of the chart area for the trading panel. If you don't see it, expand the panel at the bottom of the screen. This is the hub where TradingView lists supported brokers and where you'll manage your connections. It's designed to keep the workflow simple, putting your orders, account info, and broker tools a click away from your chart. Inside the trading panel, browse the list of available brokers or use the search bar and type NinjaTrader. This helps you find the integration quickly, especially if the list is long. Confirm you're selecting the official NinjaTrader option shown by TradingView. If your account has both live and simulation access, keep that in mind. You'll choose the right account during or after the connection. Click NinjaTrader to launch the connection flow. You may see a brief explanation of permissions or what the integration enables, such as order placement and account visibility. Review those details so you know what access you're granting. When prompted, enter your NinjaTrader login credentials and click Connect. For security, double-check you're on the official TradingView site and avoid saving credentials on shared devices. If your broker uses two-factor authentication, complete that step to finalize the sign-in. After a moment, you should see the connection status update in the trading panel along with your available account. If you encounter an error, verify your credentials, confirm your market data entitlements, and try again. A quick refresh of the trading panel can also help. Once connected, select the correct account in the panel and you're ready to trade directly from the chart. Consider starting with a demo or small position to get comfortable. That's it. You've connected NinjaTrader to TradingView and can now trade seamlessly from your charts.